Illegal law, the first step. Many people will find the topic heading quite offensive and wonder that how somebody can choose such heading, even when writer himself is from legal community and himself dependent on it. Well, I can say is that some people will agree with the content and some will heavily disagree with the time moving forward. However, all comments with agreement and criticism are fully welcome to share their thoughts and enrich the contents. Critics are best friends who can enrich and help with showing correct direction. However, I must warn that you have right to stop reading further as per your discretion. To begin with, I will start from the very beginning of legal system, which is setting the law in motion, or in simple words, it is when someone approaches the law. Somebody approaches the law to get justice when something wrong happened to that person, or even sometimes people try to misuse the law for various reasons. Some of false cases I seen are as simple as false check, bounce cases to harass and extract money due to greed, and goes even to murders and even false rape cases to frame someone else for revenge. So when someone enters the court for own filed case or case filed against, the first law is to take oath. Not taking or refusing to take oath is offense itself under section 178 of IPC. The oath is as follows. I do swear in the name of God that what I shall state shall be the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Recently Supreme Court rejected to take oath on Constitution. Now this is clear that court asks everybody to take oath on the name of God if someone is believer in God. There is different oath for non-believers also, but I have seen that 99.5% people takes oath on the basis of God only, so that the person is not seen someone who does not believe in God, or in other words, nobody wants to show themselves as non-God-fearing person. The reason is that someone who is not God-fearing, then such person can lie easily. Now it is clear that almost all oaths are taken on the name of God. But a very simple question to ask is that those people really believe in God? Let yes understand trust on God, or quote this way: if some friend of yours took small amount of money and not returned without or even after asking, then you might not even ask the friend to return money and put that in knowledge of God and transfer the responsibility on God to take care of that debt, betrayal, cheating. But on the other hand, if the amount is big like lakh, then you will try lot of things to get money back, which may be finally end in court. For such amount, why not leave decision on God only? Thus same person have faith in God for small amounts, but trust court for higher amounts instead of God. If the person still had faith in God, then why the end result is different by approaching the court? Same person loses faith in God for higher amount and decides to approach court. Now let's understand it criminal way. There was a teacher in my kid private school. She was there for many years, and due to annual increments, her salary became on higher side, so management decided to get rid of her and hire new teacher for less salary. Thus he transferred her to another branch which was almost 48 kilometers away. It's simple tactic that teacher will herself resign instead of wasting so much time in traveling. Instead of direct firing, transfers to other branches is common tactic to force resignations. Recently a school came in national newspaper for mass transfers. Since she was not in dire need of job due to husband job, she resigned as expected by school. When we asked her, she said it's God wish. Now imagine if she was beautiful with need of job and principal asked her sexual favor, then she might approach police for justice or leave that also on God. We don't know if this also happened in past to some others and they left it to God wish. But there are some who approach police for justice instead of God for wrong happened to them. Can we say people don't have faith on God and hence approach court? After ditching faith on God, court asks same person to take oath on faith of God. This article posted by Advocate Ankur.